Hey happy people! Today I'd like to share some cute items I made using scrap wood I found around my house. So we just moved and my husband and I found this huge pile of scrap wood left behind, and he wanted to just toss it all out, but I asked if I could just try making a few things, so I just went ahead and grabbed a couple pieces and got to work sanding and cutting them down. I was inspired by this project that I saw, or a product rather, on Etsy, I believe it was. It had to have at least been a year or maybe two ago, and I just have not been able to get this out of my mind. It was so incredibly cute, but it was a welcome sign, and I just have wanted to make one of my own, just with my own little saying and all of that, and that's what I chose to do in this project. Once I finished with all that strenuous work, I of course needed to brew myself a cup of coffee as a reward. love candles. I can't get enough of them. I love candles. I am obsessed with candles. The only thing about candles is that a lot of them have harmful toxins in them, and I like to know what's in everything that I have in my house. So for years I've said I wanted to make a candle, but I'm chicken and I've never done it. And this past couple weeks I decided I was just gonna go for it, and I did so. And the cold throw was amazing, and I'm still waiting to figure out if the hot throw is great, and if it is, I will probably make some to sell because I just think candles are lovely. Right now I am in the process of giving a couple away to some of my friends and family just to see if they can give me an honest opinion about what their thoughts are on the scent. And if so, then I will add them to my Etsy shop. But for right now, this is just for me, and it's coffee scented, and it's amazing and beautiful and everything I want it to be, and I'm very excited about it. I even picked up this super cute little coffee mug from a thrift store, and I've had it for like 6 months. So I am super excited to finally get to use it. So here again, I had some pieces of the scrap wood, and I kind of stacked the pieces on top of each other and then gave myself a little idea of what I maybe wanted to do with it. However, this wood was so incredibly hard. It was like a hardwood, and it was brutal. It was brutal, but I powered through, and it was really I really like how the outcome turned out. That doesn't make sense. I can't say that. I really like how it turned out. So this was about the time that I realized that my wood glue is extremely old and needs to be replaced. I worked out some muscles this day. So these particular pieces of scrap wood were extremely hardwood. I don't think I've ever done anything with a really hard, heavy wood, and it was difficult. But overall, I think the project turned out nice. I didn't really feel like this project needed a whole lot of decoration on it. I felt like it was pretty just as it was. It was giving off the look that I wanted it to have. And overall, it was very heavy. Like I said, the wood was really hard. I don't know what kind of wood this was, but it was very, very thick, very heavy wood. So I almost want it to serve as like a doorstop or something. I think it would be really cute as a doorstop for fall, but we'll see. I like it. As always, I super appreciate your time. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. The biggest compliment you can give is a thumbs up, and I hope you have a super, super lovely day. Bye.